I've got my car behind me here. I'm cleaning out the radiator today. It's something that I do every now and again. But if you want Tesla to do it officially, it is now a thing that you can book into the service via the app and have them do this professionally if you're not feeling comfortable removing a tub, getting into the bits and pieces. So let me spin it around. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so down here, this is the radiator area, and just below this is where the air intake is for the radiator. So a bunch of random leaves and stuff eventually make them their way through here. And so I'm just briefly popping open this. We'll have a little peek in here. And you can see there's like a whole lunchbox down there. There's even more, but I can't exactly show you. So what I'm doing here is this vacuum cleaner. Good old Dyson one from many years ago. I've completely emptied the tub here, and I'll post a photo of what we've collected once I'm finished here. Some of the extras that I also use, this is an extension tube. It goes onto the back of the vacuum cleaner here. Quite long, very good for getting down to the hard to reach places. A torch, so you can see what you're doing. And that's all there is to it. Just pretty much go down there, clean it out, suck out all the stuff, and significantly increase the performance of the cooling on the car. I think I've done as much as I can. I'll lift it up here. It is very hard to get it in the camera here, but I think more results will be shown when I empty the vacuum cleaner. That's just a leaf getting eaten. I'll empty this up into a bucket and you can have a look. Alright, so it was empty and now we got all this stuff in here. Probably good for the garden, probably not good for radiator. Solid effort, eh? What I will do is I might try run a leaf blower through the other side of it, see if I can push through anything else and get that flying out. But there you have it. I would say this is an accumulation, maybe less than 6 months. So if you've never had it done before and you want to get that fixed or looked at, you're either going to DIY or you're going to book a service appointment with Tesla.